Welcome. Today in front of me INIFINIX Hot 11s, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will just reduce the highest volume speaker of our smartphone, so then this value on the display then will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113.4 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.